Have you ever wondered why array starts with zero in all programming language? Is it a random decision or something much more deeper than that? Most people imagine an array is a row of little boxes, but that's not how computers use it. To a computer, an array is simply a continuous block of memory. Imagining the first element starts at memory address 1000. Let's say each integer takes a 4 bytes. That means next element isn't stored somewhere else, random, simply 4 bytes ahead of 1. And next element is another 4 bytes ahead. The computer never asks which element do you want. Instead, it asks how far should I move from the beginning. And exactly what index represents it's not an element number. It's an offset of the start of the array. Because of that, computer can calculate any element using one simple formula. Address equal to base address plus index times the size. Now think about very first element. How far is it from the beginning of an array? 0 bytes. You are already standing on it, which address becomes a base address plus 0 times the element size, which is simply the base address itself. Second element moves forward by one element, the third moves forward by two. Every single element follows the same formula. No special cases, no extra work. Now imagine array started at 1 instead of 0. Base address plus index subtract 1 times the element size. That tiny subtraction that does not seem like a big deal, but imagine doing it every array in every program. Calculate billions of times. Why add extra work? First element already is zero distance away. That's why array starts with zero. Not because programmer loves the number zero, but because the first element 0 bytes away from the beginning of the memory. Real idea is array index doesn't count element. It measures the distance from the start of the memory. Distance to very first element is always zero. So 0 become a special number.